Hey, I'm Craig with Kuat.
And I'm Tom with Kuat.
Welcome back to the channel for another episode of What's in the Box?
What's in the box?
Okay, on today's episode, we are going to dive in our third and final light kit to date that we know of for the Kuat IBEX.
Yes.
We've talked about the first, the scene light kit and the bed light kit. The third kit is not rock lights, but it is Diode's new C2 2.0 Pro 2.0 lights. This is the chase light kit. Let's open it.
So to recap, I know you've probably watched the other videos as well, but to recap, Diode Dynamics, fellow Missouri company, leader in off-road lighting. They started creating some really cool light accessories that pair with our IBEX bed rack. So this is part of that series, continuation on that. But yeah, let's get a look at it.
Let's dive in here.
All right, let's dive in.
Okay, this is first time opening it up.
Full on opening here. It's like a Christmas present.
I mean, who doesn't want to open stuff in July and from a brown box? Okay, whoa.
Okay.
Okay, all right. Let's show you all the kit real quickly, and then we can move on. All right, there's the kit. Okay, so
next is, never mind. Let's get the box out.
All right, let's get it back out. Okay, so set this over to the side. Let's open it up. Let's talk about each thing that comes, because this kit is, everything is included. Everything for you can purchase the kit, attach it to your IBEX, light it up. Diode includes it all.
So you want to talk about what kind of light that is first again, like maybe dive into that, like what it's used for?
So these are the, like I said, these are the Diode C2 2.0s, and it's a special combination of backlight and lens.
Okay.
So Diode does not sell the C2 2.0s with a red backlight. Only we have the C2s with the red backlight. So that is really cool. They are a yellow lens when powered on full bright mode, which kind of flood out the back end of your truck and everything behind it to allow you to see anything that's in your way, in your path.
Those look super good.
Yep. They've just redesigned these pods. They are, as far as lumens, we can get into the nitty gritty here. They are, like I said, the C2 2.0s. They produce 3,000 Kelvin in the color temperature.
Okay.
For whatever that means. I know it's important. Very bright. The beam angle, 70 degrees by 45 degrees.
Okay.
So I think that's the flood pattern, which just illuminates everything. Like I said, they're red backlight. They are...
So they're good looking, they're bright, they have the right colors.
Come with the brackets.
So how are these specific to the IBEX? Like what makes these pair with our rack?
What makes them specific is they can attach here on the underneath side of the T-channel. So on the IBEX, tons of T-channels, both in the frame itself and the crossbars. So these lights include brackets that allow you to hang the IBEX, or hang these from the underneath side of the crossbar, so facing outward.
Yeah, they look really good.
Of course, you can put these in a ton of different directions, but for this purpose, being that they're red backlit, facing outward.
I'm gonna have to be the bearer of bad news.
What the Mike?
We have it on that camera, right?
It's recording on this one.
So the brackets. So how do you attach this to the IBEX?
Right.
So on the rear-facing crossbar, the one that's farthest away from the front of the vehicle, there are T-channels on the underneath side. This kit includes brackets, one per pod, that you can, and T-nuts that you can drop in the underneath side, attach the bracket upward like that, then the light attaches right there on the side, and you have a few different adjustment levels.
Oh yeah, you do.
1, 2, 3. That you can tuck it high or angle it down. But that faces backwards.
Yeah, I would think if you wanted like a more of a severe angle, you'd probably mount that down a little farther. If you like it nice and tight, kind of straight out the back, you can kind of sink it up into that bracket a little bit more.
Yep. These are the sport model yellow flood with the red backlight.
Okay.
Just to give you the exact
this
model
is great.
number.
Yeah, I always feel like you need more light sometimes, you know, when you're out there, depending on where you are. So
yeah, when you get away from the big city, you know, you have that no light pollution.
I know. Yeah, or just working out of the back of the truck. I mean, if you've got the tailgate down and stuff spread out and whatever you're doing in the evening, I mean, this is a great way, you know, to light up that space. So and then some.
Yeah, in addition to the lights and the brackets, Diode provides the heavy-duty wiring harness.
Okay.
So this is meant to attach to your battery, or if you have a kind of an auxiliary switch panel.
Yeah.
Diode has one. You can plug in, run this all the way back to the chase lights, and hook it up.
Okay.
It even includes a rocker switch. So if you don't have a switch panel, you can toggle between the backlight function, the off, and then the full bright mode.
Okay.
So
that's pretty great.
There.
So there's lots of wiring included in this. You've got everything you need.
Connect it all together. You even have, so all your zip ties and your T-nuts, and cable management. You include this, you can cut it up into a couple different sections, and as you're running this through or in the T-channel, you can kind of put these little wire hiders to kind of keep that cable
as flush
as possible.
Does this snap up into the T-channel and kind of hide the wire underneath?
It does.
Oh man, so
really
it gives
cool.
it a super clean look.
Super clean.
Okay.
No mess. You don't see it anywhere.
That's pretty awesome.
Yeah, and we provide all this, or Diode provides all this.
Yeah. These are great. This is a nice little finishing touch, you know, because you want your truck or whatever to look nice when you're doing this, and cable routing is important, you know, stuff dangling around. But yeah, if you can clean it up with neat accessories like this.
That's how you can identify an enthusiast from an overlander.
There you go. Yep.
Cable management.
I like it. Very cool. So are these, people are interested now that you've talked about these, where can somebody get a hold of these? Are these available right now?
These are available right now through Diode Dynamics, also on Kuat's website.
Okay.
So we have 2 outlets to get these light kits for your IBEX.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. If you have questions, Küat.com. You can also go to Diode for this one too, like Craig said. But yeah, I think it's pretty awesome. Great accessory.
More to come, more accessories, further fitments that we're going to be talking about for the IBEX, for paired accessories that will illuminate your experience. And the one thing that you do need to do to keep up to date with the channel is you subscribe and you mash that like button. And tune in for the next one.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.